In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Insert video title here. If you ever need to focus without pings pulling you back into conversations, Slack makes it easy to pause notifications on the spot or set up a recurring schedule so you're covered every day. Let's walk through how to use both options, and I'll share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, the quickest way to pause notifications is right from your profile menu. Look to the top corner of Slack and click your profile picture. In the menu that opens, hover over Pause Notifications. You'll see preset durations you can choose, like pausing for a short block of time or for the rest of the day. Pick the one that fits your focus window and you're set. While notifications are paused, you'll still receive messages in the background. They just won't alert you. This is perfect for deep work, meetings, or when you need a break without missing anything important. If you finish early, you can return to the same menu and resume notifications whenever you're ready. Another fast option is the slash command. In any channel or direct message, type the command to pause notifications, followed by a time frame. For example, you can enter a duration like 30 minutes or specify a time, such as until 3 p.m. Press enter, and Slack will apply your do not disturb right away. This method is handy when your hands are already on the keyboard and you don't want to click through menus. For longer-term control, set a recurring do not disturb schedule so Slack automatically keeps quiet during your off hours or regular focus times. Open your notification preferences, then find the do not disturb section. Here you can choose the hours when you don't want to be interrupted. For example, every evening and early morning on weekdays. You can customize the days and times to match your workflow and make sure your schedule reflects your current time zone. Once this is set, Slack will mute notifications during those windows by default and resume them when the window ends, so you never have to remember to turn things on or off. A couple of quick reminders as you use these tools: messages, mentions, and reactions still arrive while D&D is on, and you can catch up whenever you return. You'll see a subtle indicator that notifications are paused, so it's clear when you're in quiet mode. That's it. Use the quick pause from your profile, the slash command for typing speed, and the recurring schedule for long-term peace of mind.